Hey guys, Helmet Head here. So I don't get CTE. Anyway, welcome to hashtag straight poop. We're getting into the kitchen right away, okay? No delay, no further ados or any of that other stuff. Join us. Thanks for joining us. You know, last night me and the old lady ordered carry out from the Vietnamese guy. And I got these delicious beef skewers that he marinates in hoisin and peanut sauce. But what I got here is my leftover fried rice, okay? And I don't know about you guys, but if I got some food left over, I'm gonna try to cannabinize it. So that's what I'm doing here. But I'm gonna add some meat, okay? Because I had the skewers, so this didn't have any meat in it. And they don't put soy sauce in it. So my low sodium Kiekelman here, I'm throwing him in there. Yeah. Now this rice, okay, is frying in cannabis oil, of course. And I'm going to add some spices to it. I'm also going to add some KIEF. KIEF's my go-to. I don't know why. It's so easy to use. It's so abundant. I've got shit. Probably a half pound of it in all different assortments. I don't like putting eggs in he puts very few eggs, which is fine. Now I'm adding some diced ham, cubed ham, okay? Just some Polish Crocus ham. You know, comes in a can. Yeah, just like that. I used to work at a place, an auto parts store, and instead of giving us cash, Marvin, the owner, would each give us a 20, it was about 20-pound Crocus ham. And it came in a big metal can, and it had a key. And you had to put the key in this thing, and you twisted it, and this metal band came, you know, across, I guess, and did the top, and the top was resealable just by putting it back on, but you didn't have to use the key. Crocus ham is good stuff still. Okay, so now here, I like using this type of onion too. Yeah, it's called Easy Onion, okay? And I like putting it in there too, because there's no onions in here. There's rice, there's broccoli, there's cabbage, there's carrots, there's peas. I didn't see any corn. I don't think there's corn. I hate corn in my, I'll eat corn on the cob, because out here, man, we're in corn country. Come July, I could get as much corn as I want. I can also get as much farm-raised eggs too. So, our niece was talking, wow, I'm gonna pick up some eggs on the way home. How much are they usually? You can get a dozen for $6. $6 only? Yeah, well, she lives in Lincoln Park in Chicago, so what do you want? Probably paying $20 for, you know, 6 eggs. Okay. 5-spice powder, KIEF. I think 5-spice is star anise, cinnamon, ground cloves, ground ginger, and mace. And mace is the outer husk of nutmeg. So it's kind of cool how, you know, the outer husk of nutmeg. Who would have thought of that? I don't know. Let me grind some pepper in here too. Can't have enough black pepper. There we go. I don't need salt. Although I say put salt in everything, just a pinch, I'm not putting any in. I added salt. I'm sure they seasoned it. I know they did. Their salt in the ham and their soy sauce. Let me get this onto a plate. Get that fire off. That's a nice plate, man. That's a nice lunch of leftovers. Yeah, you know what? I would have taken maybe some piece of pork loin that I had on my, on the pit. And, but you know what? Right now, there's 10 inches of snow. And even though we did half the driveway, I don't feel like doing the other half. And my barbecue pit is buried. Otherwise, man, do it a different way. But we'll be out there come soon, very soon. So anyway, that's your beauty shot on my leftover fried rice that I cannabinized and also added some extra protein. You could add whatever you want. Steak, I added ham. You could add chicken. Very versatile. You don't have to make your leftovers boring. You could always cannabinize them. Grab your free cookbook. You've seen the graphics. Follow the graphics. Go to the comments section and, click the link. Within 30 seconds, I'm gonna guarantee in 28 seconds you'll have that book. Okay? So do that. It's free. It's on me. This is all therapy for me, man. I like giving the information, and I am definitely an expert in the fields. So if one of you guys get anything out of it, I'm extremely happy. This is therapy for me. Anyway, maybe cooking's your therapy. If it is, grab the cookbook, cook a dozen dishes. We're out of here. Me and my dogs love having you here at #StraightPoop. Next time, if you're waiting on me, you're loafing. Take it easy. Hang loose.